What's up, everybody? So I am on the final stages of the J Bates miter saw station. Right now, I am making some cabinet doors. You can see them. This is birch plywood, 1/4 inch, with mahogany stiles and rails. And I just did them simple. I did it all on the table saw. Just made mortise and mortise and tenon. Well, I guess maybe it's not mortise and tenon. It's dados and mortise, I guess. Anyway, either way, it's pretty simple. So right now, I got them ready to go. I'm going to glue them up. Use my new brush from Rockler, and let me just spin you around here. Actually, I'll just take it out. So the cabinet doors are going to go right there where the bins are. I made all the drawers so far, and my little cart in there, but I wanted to have a spot where I can just open up doors like I have the cabinet and just throw stuff in and not have to worry about drawers. I might put a sliding tray or two in later, but I thought it'd be cool to practice making some doors. They came out okay. Not 100%, but I'm still learning. So I'm going to glue them up, put them on, and then I'll do a little update so you can see how they look. I'm not sure on the pulls yet, since most of my pulls are the mahogany, and the mahogany is the actual stiles and rails. I might do a lighter color on them. We'll see. But it's coming along. Just wanted to give you a little update.